Hey guys, if you are a nice dude, someone who is like me, because I also tend to be like a nice dude most of the times. I also care about what people have to think, what people have to say, what elders have to say, and have to give respect and tend to give respect in the same way. But in this day and age, people seldom reciprocate the same kind of respect or same kind of things to the nice people. We tend to overdo, or even if not overdo, we just tend to be acknowledgeable of what is in front of us and we tend to respect it. But most of the time, we as nice people, as nice guys, we come across people who always seem to break our trust. They don't always tend to be on the same line as we are. They tend to exploit us or misuse us for their own gains. But in that frustration, in that time, in that moment, it really feels bad, and we tend to get so frustrated as nice people. We tend to isolate ourselves, we tend to just cut off from the world, and that frustration most of the times shows on our inner expressions, and well, that does not help us in the long run. Actually, we tend to lose out on so many people, and we are not able to achieve our goals because we are not able to redirect our frustrations in the right direction. Because this is a world where you have to have some sort of a pretense and fakeness at times. Yes, the goal or the thing which we want to do, or what is close to our heart, should remain close to our heart, but it's not necessary that we let it out to the whole world, because whole world will make a mockery of it, as we have seen it so many times. Because it's only until we do something tangible or we achieve something tangible do we really come to know that, or are we really able to shut the other people down. So let's redirect that frustration, let's redirect that breaking of trust in the right way. Let not people who have done that come to know about where we stand. Let us be strong in front of adversity, in front of challenges, and even if they keep on coming, let them come. Let those frustrations, let those breaking of trusts kind of a things come on to our life. Don't worry, and just use it as a fuel to grow even bigger and bigger by redirecting it in the right way. Breaking of trust from parents, from your siblings, from best friends, from people you never know. You have to expect everything in life. There's nothing right or nothing wrong for some people. They tend to do things just for the sake of it. Even it might be your parents at times, but we have to use that fuel and not get frustrated. We have to use it as a fuel in order to grow ourselves on a daily basis. We have to use every day to grow ourselves. Every day is a moment, is a challenge, and is a time to shine. Let's do that. Let's put in the effort, and let's do what we were supposed to do and not get swayed by things which happen on the sides. Let's take it as a fuel to grow even bigger and better. Thanks for watching.